Today our topic is, why is there a hole in the ozone layer? The hole in the ozone layer refers to the thinning of the ozone layer in Earth's stratosphere, particularly over Antarctica. This phenomenon is not actually a hole, but a region of significantly reduced ozone concentration. It was first discovered in the 1980s and is primarily caused by human activities. The ozone layer is a region of the Earth's stratosphere that contains a relatively high concentration of ozone, O3, molecules. It plays a critical role in protecting life on Earth by absorbing and filtering out most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet, UV, radiation. The main reason for the ozone layer depletion is the release of man-made chemicals called ozone-depleting substances, ODS, such as chlorofluorocarbons, cfcs, halogens, carbon tetrachloride, and methyl chloroform. These substances were commonly used in refrigeration, air conditioning, aerosol propellants, and as solvents in the past. When these ODS are released into the atmosphere, they eventually rise to the stratosphere. There, they are broken down by the intense UV radiation from the sun, releasing chlorine and bromine atoms. These atoms then participate in chemical reactions that lead to the destruction of ozone molecules. The chlorine and bromine atoms act as catalysts, meaning that one atom can destroy many ozone molecules before being removed from the stratosphere. The ozone hole is most prominent over Antarctica because of the unique atmospheric conditions in that region. During the southern hemisphere's spring, September to November, a polar vortex forms over Antarctica, which isolates the air inside it from the rest of the stratosphere. This isolated air contains elevated levels of ODS and allows for the efficient destruction of ozone. Efforts to address the ozone layer depletion issue have been relatively successful. The 1987 Montreal Protocol is an international treaty that phased out the production and consumption of ODS. As a result, the levels of ODS in the atmosphere have been decreasing, and the ozone layer is expected to recover over time. The ozone hole is not expected to completely disappear until later this century. In summary, the hole in the ozone layer is a region of reduced ozone concentration in the stratosphere, primarily caused by human-made ozone-depleting substances. International efforts to reduce the production and consumption of these substances have been effective in mitigating the problem, and the ozone layer is slowly recovering. Thanks for watching.